The Norwegian Jewel is a modest-sized ship packed with fun and delicious dining. In this video, you'll learn about the delicious food on board. And then we'll dive into the exciting bars. After that, I'll share a few activities you won't want to miss. Then I have a few tips that will help make your Norwegian Jewel cruise the best it can be. Stick around and I'll tell you how you can get your Norwegian Jewel digital download ship guide. Let's start with the food. We've got to start with Cagney's Steakhouse, an American-style steakhouse with delicious steaks, seafood, veal, appetizers and desserts, great service. I recommend the ribeye. Another steakhouse option is the Brazilian steakhouse, Moderno Churrascaria. Moderno Churrascaria is a Brazilian steakhouse that serves up meat on skewers. The servers will keep bringing you a variety of steak, beef, pork, sausage, chicken. They'll keep bringing it to you until you've had as much as you want. You can also start your meal off with their awesome salad bar. Le Bistro is the French fine dining specialty restaurant on Norwegian Jewel. Le Bistro has delicious French cuisine like their delicious lamb. Don't miss out on trying Le Bistro. Teppanyaki is a fun option. Get the whole family together, bring your friends, and go for a dinner and a show at the Japanese-style teppanyaki, grilled food right in front of you. Delicious and fun at the same time. Teppanyaki. Ocean's Grill is a complimentary option on board. Any time of day you can get delicious food, snacks, breakfast, lunch, dinner in an Irish pub setting. Ocean's Grill, one of my favorite options on the Norwegian Jewel. Of course, they also have the main dining rooms and buffet. Two main dining rooms, in fact, Czar's Palace and Azura. I recommend the splendor of Czar's Palace with the aft view looking out the windows. You can get all of your meals there, delicious, included in the price of your fare, the main dining rooms. If you're enjoying this information, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're enjoying this. Give us a like. We really appreciate it. Now let's talk about the bars. Starting with the newest bar on board, the Pit Stop Bar. The Pit Stop Bar is a 50s inspired automobile themed bar that overlooks the pool area. Topsiders Bar is another great option. It's the poolside bar with delicious burgers, fries, hot dogs, salads, all kinds of great food. When you're hanging out at the pool or you're just looking for a quick, casual meal or snack, go to Topsiders Bar. Sugarcane Mojito Bar is a comfortable upscale bar serving, of course, delicious mojitos. If you're a mojito fan, don't miss out on Sugarcane. I mentioned Ocean's Grill. Well, Ocean's Grill is also a bar. Ocean's has great, delicious beer, cocktails, wine, whatever you want. And you can get some of that complimentary food while you're there enjoying the bar in an Irish pub themed bar. What fun. The Bliss Ultra Lounge is a great option for late night drinks, dancing, entertainment. The Bliss Ultra Lounge is a hot spot. Great spot to go anytime, but especially at night. Go there and dance and enjoy your time at sea late into the night at Bliss Ultra Lounge. The Atrium Bar is the bar at the hub of the ship, right in the main atrium. You can go there any time of day. Go there and get a drink later in the day, cocktail. Earlier in the day, you might want to stop there for coffee and baked goods. They have specialty coffees and baked goods any time of day. The Atrium Bar and Cafe is a great spot to stop at. Now let's talk about some of the Norwegian Jewel activities, starting with Mandura Spa, Norwegian Cruise Line's classic spa and salon. Go there and get a massage, manicure, facial, all kinds of great spa services at Mandura Spa. Of course, they've got a great pool and hot tubs. You can enjoy the sun as you swim, tan, or hang out in one of the hot tubs. There's also the Jewel Casino. The Jewel Casino has slot games, table games. If you feel like Lady Luck is on your side, head to the Jewel Casino and test that luck. There's the Splash Academy and Entourage for the kids and teens. Splash Academy is for the kids. It's a kids club where they can do things while you're off doing things that they wouldn't enjoy as much. And of course there's Entourage, the teens club, where they can hang out with others their age and have fun at sea. There's also the Video Arcade. The Video Arcade has video games for kids and kids of all ages. Go and test your chances against aliens or race against your friends. There's also shopping. Of course, going on vacation, going on a cruise, you gotta go shopping. Get yourself some jewelry, souvenirs, or all kinds of other great duty-free goods. Now how about a couple tips? Tip number 1, don't miss the Great Outdoors. Great Outdoors is an extension of the Garden Cafe buffet, and it's a great outdoor spot where you can enjoy your meal from the buffet, and they even have a bar. Tip number 2, if you're going on an Alaskan cruise, consider a balcony cabin. The balcony rooms have a great advantage, especially on an Alaskan cruise when there's so much great scenery to enjoy. You can sit there on the comfort of your own balcony, enjoy the glaciers and the other views while people are crowding on deck. You can even go there early in the morning and enjoy your morning coffee as you're starting off your day with great views, enjoying the weather and the views from your own balcony. Tip number 3, don't miss out on the specialty dining option La Cucina. La Cucina is a great spot for a date night. Go and enjoy some Italian specialty dining, reasonably priced, with delicious food. You'll feel like you're back at your favorite Italian restaurant, back on land. Tip number 4, be sure to download the Norwegian Jewel Ship Guide digital download. It'll tell you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're even including a bar crawl guide for the Norwegian Jewel, a fun way to explore the bars on board. You can get yours by clicking the link in the description below. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, it's just a way to follow us so you don't miss out on our future cruise content, including our live shows, interviews, ship guides, and other great cruise information. You can also click the link in the description below to join our Facebook group so you don't miss out on any of the fun cruise topics and talk to other people who enjoy the cruise life. Thanks for watching.